If I sit down at your wireless router right now, there are three settings I'm turning off before I do anything else. Not because they're broken, but because they're doors that are left wide open that most people don't even know exist. Your router comes with a bunch of settings turned on by default. Some of those are there to make setup easier for you. Some are there to make life easier for the manufacturer's support team. Almost none of them were turned on with your security in mind. So today I'm walking through the three settings I disable on every wireless router I set up. Mine, my family's, and my clients'. The first one is WPS, Wi-Fi Protected Setup. It's that tiny button on your router, usually with two arrows on it, that lets a device join your Wi-Fi without typing in a password, or it lets you connect with an 8-digit PIN instead. It sounds convenient, and it is convenient. It's also one of the easiest ways onto your network. And here's why. When a device tries that 8-digit PIN, your router actually tells the connecting device whether the first half of the PIN is correct before it even checks the second half. That means an attacker isn't guessing 100 million possible codes. They're guessing a few thousand. Twice. Software can chew through that in a matter of hours sitting outside your house. The fix. Log on to your router's admin panel, find WPS, and turn it off completely. You'll still connect new devices the normal way by typing your Wi-Fi password, and that's it. The second one is remote management, sometimes called remote access or WAN access. This lets someone log into your router setting from outside over the internet instead of needing to be connected to your Wi-Fi. Some internet service providers turn this on by default, so their support team can troubleshoot your connection without a truck roll. Makes sense for them, but it also means your router's control panel is reachable from anywhere around the world, not just your living room. Unless you specifically need to manage your router while you're away, this is a door that should be closed. Go into your router's admin settings, look for remote management, remote access, or WAN access, and switch it off. If your provider says they need it for support, that's worth one quick phone call to confirm before you turn it back on. The third one is UPnP, Universal Plug and Play. This one's a little different because it's not exactly dangerous by design. It's a convenience feature that lets devices on your network, like gaming consoles or a smart TV, automatically open the ports they need without you doing anything. The trade-off is those devices are opening doors without asking you each time. And if one of those devices ever gets compromised, say a cheap smart camera with weak security, it can use that same feature to open more doors than it should. The fix here is a little different. Try turning it off and see what happens. Play around of your usual online game, hop on a video call, and if everything works fine, leave it off. If something breaks, forward just that one specific port that the device needs instead of leaving the whole system open. None of these take more than a few clicks, and none of them will slow down your internet or break anything you actually use day to day. If you want the full list, all 50 small mistakes that quietly leave your home network exposed, I put them together in a link in the description. So go ahead and try those three settings I gave you right now, and then come back and let me know how it worked out in the description.